All right. How's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing well on this Memorial Day weekend. I've already been hard at work. I removed all the wiring all the way through. Ended up getting in here. This is the wiring for my to turn my compressors on and off remotely for emergency purposes. And then I got in here and I tightened up all the wires. I redid all the wiring so that everything's nice and clean. That's for the cigarette lighter right there. And then I've got the radio rewired up so that it doesn't have any more issues. Then I just got to put all the paneling back on to the front. I moved. Don't know if we're going to be able to see this. I could turn the light on over here. Come on. There we go. I moved my, I've got my main fuse. I actually put a fuse in this time. So I have my main fuse for my compressors right here. That wire goes to the relay, and the relay goes out. I'm going to end up bringing a single line into here, 1/4 inch line, and put my pressure switch on the end of it and then link it up with that. Because right now this is grounded right to the body inside. So what I'll do is I'll split that wire and I'll run one side of it over to the pressure switch, and then the other side will go to that ground right there. Once I get that in there, I've got the that's what that yellow wire right there is for. And then we've got this wire. This is the wire that actually goes all the way up here to the switches. I've got that ran over there. That is a 9-wire piece. It comes out over here. So now all I have is I've got the main power wire here, and then the 9-wire loom, whatever you want to call it. To here. Let it focus. There's 9 wires in there. Nice thick outer casing. So then that way I don't have to worry about that. I still got to get this covered up. This is 4 gauge going back to my compressors. I still haven't cleaned all this up yet. My compressors will go right here, and I'll have this go to the first one. And then I've got this, which is what, 8? I can't remember what this is. Yeah, 8 gauge. This is 8 gauge, and I'll basically make a jumper from this compressor over to the other compressor, and that's how that'll get wired together. And that's what I'm doing today, is I'm going to get the rest of this together. I need to figure out a way. I'm going to end up mounting my valves right there. I got to get the tank back in here, and like I said, I got to clean all this up and try to get that back together. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all this done today, but I've got this weekend and next weekend, and that's the plan, is to get all of this done so I can get my truck back on the ground by the end of next weekend, because the following weekend we've got our local show, and then there's also a Malvern cruise going on the same day as our local show. So our local show ends at about 2-ish, and then the Malvern show starts after that around, I think it starts around 3 or 4, something like that. So we're going to try to go out to that and enjoy some time out there and just make a whole day of it. So right now I've got a mess going on in the shop, trying to get things straightened up. What else? Can't think of anything else right now. I'm going to try to keep up with the video, but I wanted to get all this done. I mean, there's no fun in putting wires together and heat shrinking and putting it all together to make it look good. So that's what I did yesterday. And then today I'm going to get this done. So talk to you guys after a little while, and we'll see you in a minute. Well, I had to get the yard mowed. It is actually Monday morning, Memorial Day. Thank you to all the people that have lost their lives for our country. I'm getting over here. I'm gonna finish this up, show you guys what I did real quick, and show you me walking away from the house. It's actually about, somebody said that it seemed farther from the house. Really what it is I'm walking the length of the house, so it's what, about 70 feet, and then maybe another 70 feet. So maybe about 100 not 140, maybe 120 feet, 100 to 120 feet, all the way over here. So videos sometimes fool us into thinking stuff's farther. Let me get the lights on and I'll show you guys what I did. I straightened out the shop a little bit again because I like putting my tools away when I'm done. I didn't get anything done back here, but what I did do is I went ahead and got the interior in. It still needs to be wiped down, it's dusty as hell, but yeah. Got the interior in, except for this one rail, just in case. But everything else is in and ready to go. So there it is. Now all I got to do, what I have left, is to go ahead and put the new airline on the front, because I've got the new bags that I put in two years ago on those. It's only back here that I've got the old bags. I'll put new bags on the back, run the airlines. I'll put the tank in, put the compressors in, and then make a box or a pedestal or something for the valve box or valve manifold, and get that put together. So, and then other than that, let me get this door open. I got a family member that is moving, so she needed help in getting one of her vehicles secured. So we brought JoJo's car over here. Right now it's just sitting on there. I'll take it off of there tomorrow, but yeah, had to get all this mowed. Pretty good feeling trying to keep up with all of the shit that I got to do around here. So that's about it. Sorry, a short video this week. Just get you guys updated because I hadn't done a video yet. Oops. That was kind of weird. Yeah, I hadn't done a video. So now you guys are updated. I did almost the AC panel that was on there. So I did this real quick. What I used was model glue because it's plastic. And then I went ahead and glued that piece in place. So, and it was cracked right here, so I got that mended up fairly well. Not perfect, but now I can go back in there as one piece. Hopefully I can get it all in there without breaking it again. But yeah, it had a wiring harness that plugs into this, which actually goes nowhere. I have no idea what that is. Anybody know what the option was for that to be on the car? I don't know. So here's another project for Mom's van. The driver's side window was starting to mess up. Well, it turns out you can buy a gear kit, replace the gears. So I don't want to push this in. I don't want to break it. It's kind of scary. Maybe it goes in. What's it? Okay, there's a lip on one side. There, got that in. There, you guys got to see me do some work on the truck. There. Are you guys happy? You got to see me do some work on the truck? Boom. Installed. That looks a whole lot better. Hang on, is the lens dirty? There you go, that's better. Boom. Everything's nice and clean. That's the only wire hanging out. Everything else is up in there and tied up in there so it doesn't go nowhere. All right. That's it, guys. I thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to get on this next week. We're going to get the rear end done because now the interior is done. I can go ahead and just concentrate on only the back, and we'll get that all put together. Hopefully I can get all of that done next weekend. I don't know. kind of thinking this is going to be a short week for me, so I may have Friday and Saturday to get as much done as I can possibly get done. So see you guys next weekend. Comment at the bottom. Tell me I'm a sorry ass. Tell me hurry up, something. I need a kick in the ass again. Yeah, everybody's telling me I need to get to work on this thing. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Later.